Welcome back to the channel. If your dream of growing fast vegetable herb or flower right, it's home, but want something clean, smart, and more original, rustic gardening bed are the perfect solution. Then beautiful and idea for smart yard, backyard, patio, or even rooftop. We explored rustic gardening bed idea that are easy to build, budget friendly, and perfect for being a small explored gardening. Classic wood rustic gardening bed. Wood rustic gardening bed are a timeless favorite, then built beautiful into almost any outdoor space and are easy to custom in smart and height, clean and redwood are fact popular become then natural rustic or even inside. You can keep the design simple with rustic farm and add chaptering with decoration garden start finish. Their bed are perfect for vegetable like tomato. Rustic bed are smart, safe. If your yard is limited, rustic bed are a game change. Bed fence valve or work. You can growing more in less space. Scared and L-shaped rustic gardening bed if into corner area, supported area can be add a frame like help your maximize even inch. Rustic gardening bed with built-in set. One of the most create rustic gardening bed idea is cabined space. This design work well in family gardening. Choosy backyard setup. Stone bring rustic gardening bed for a more contemporary and elegant look. Stone bring bed are an excellent choice. Those bed add structure, add charm, to your vegetable wall, often long theme durability. Then idea for follow gardening hub or decoration landscape area, patio and work walk, natural stone give a rustic feel, wall create a classic clean appeal. Matter rustic gardening bed. Master rustic gardening bed are become increasingly popular for modern home. Even stone bed are weather resisting or skin in design. Then wall up fast in speed which help plants growing in cool meetup. That bed work great vegetable and give your gardening and contemporary original look. Rustic bed, multi-level rustic bed are perfect for sleeping. Yard interior though design allow you to growing different plants at define height increasingly access. Then also idea for maximize follow hub and vegetable into on compact design wall create a stream focal point in your yard. Budget friendly rustic gardening bed. You do need a supported a less of money to build rustic bed, reclaim wood, pallet contact bed, even old can be a term into functional gardening bed.